CMHC says 43 to 47% of people are renewing their mortgages this year. So it is making for a busy year on our end, managing a lot of those people switching from one lender to the next to try and get and collect all those little extra savings that we can get them.
Many 2- and 3-year mortgages are up for renewal, along with the typical 5-year mortgages. And Jean-Guy Turcotte says these mortgages are maturing and up for renegotiation at their particular lender. That means getting a better rate at a new lender, or at the very least, keeping your current lender honest.
When I move a client from lender A to lender B on a switch move, there's usually a lot of benefit to it. So quite often, Canadian banks know that Canadians are quite complacent when it comes to renewing and maturing their mortgage, or they don't shop around enough. So I come in, we have a look, and I can move you for free. These next lenders will pay for any cost to move your mortgage. Where it does become more expensive is for possibly those clientele that can't move. So if there's situations where they're unable to move, then that lender can become more predatory and charge more to that client.
You'd shop around for the best price on a home, car, and even groceries, so why not on your mortgage too?
When it comes down to your renewal, just like you'd be doing anything else when you're shopping for your original mortgage, get a professional to look around. So just for example, this year, I've already helped probably 25 people move their mortgage from lender A to B. And on the average, they probably save $5,000 to $7,000 in interest costs from their regular interest rate to the new ones. If they're charging them all the higher posted interest rates and we move them to the discounted interest rates, the savings there can be quite large.
Your mortgage lender will reach out to renew your rate about 6 months before your term ends, but that won't likely be your cheapest rate.
So quite often they will be in touch, or they'll at least send you a letter. They like doing it at the last minute, so you don't have a lot of time to switch. So you have to be more proactive than you've ever been, because they'll send that letter out to you 30 days prior. 30 to 60 days, depending on who it is. Some lenders will call 6 months in advance and offer you some lower interest rates to try and entice you to stay. But for the most part, they're within the 30 to 60 day range where they want you to start renegotiating, but it doesn't give you much time to make that decision.